Sa hirap at saya, kayo'y nariyan, guiding our hearts with your loving hands. 5 kaming anak na inyong inalagaan with endless patience. Di kayo napagod kailanman.
Every sacrifice you made for us, hindi matutumbasan ng kahit anuman. You gave us hope, you gave us strength sa bawat araw ng aming buhay.
Nanay at tatay, salamat sa pag-aruga. Your unconditional love will stay forever in our hearts. Kahit minsan kayo'y napagod na, you still chose to love us more and more. Tila kaming magkakapatid na inyong pinagpala, bound together because of your love and care. Habang buhay namin dadalhin ang pagmamahal na itinuro ninyo sa amin. Through every storm, you stood so strong. Tinuruan ninyo kaming lumaban at bumangon. Sa simpleng buhay, tamaang ligaya. Because your love made our house a home.
And someday when we have our own family, dadalhin namin ang aral at pag-ibig ninyo. Your kindness and devotion will live through us forevermore. Nanay at tatay, kayo ang aming ilaw. The reason why we smile through every trial. Sa bawat pangarap naming natutupad, kayo ang inspirasyon naming lahat. 5 kaming anak na inyong minahal, with passion, care, and faith for hearts. Habang buhay kaming magpapasalamat for the unconditional love you gave us.